Hello everyone. So as I told you earlier that today topic will be about making an appointment in Korean. So how you can meet your friends, meet your colleagues, and how you can make an appointment with your good one. So please subscribe before taking another step. So today we are going to study about that four phrases. That phrases will be used for making an appointment. So our very first point is, do you have time? Second is, what time should we meet? And time, and see you then. Most of the sentences will be there that you had already studied, so it will be a little easy for you, but just see and study it together. So our very first point is, do you have time? As I told you in our earlier chapters that what is time? Shigan. We are not talking about do you have time at 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. We are talking about time. Do you have time? Here we had not a particular time. Now we had not decided about the meeting time. We just had asked that do you have time? So time is shigan, about all over the hour. When we talk about, so it's shigan. And when we talk about a particular time, then in that case what will be the time mean? Shi. So here time means shigan. So do you have itsoyo? So at that time I think you had learned the phrases so many times, so you must understand. So what is do you have time in Korean? Shigan 있어요. 시간 있어요. Repeat after me. Do you have time? 시간 있어요. Fine. So let's study. So let's study about do you have time when. Okay. So for example, do you have time tomorrow? What is tomorrow? Nail. From the earlier chapter you had studied what is tomorrow? Nail. So here do you have time means 내일 시간 있어요? 내일 시간 있어요? Repeat after me. 내일 시간 있어요? So let's study our next phrase, that is what time should we meet? What time should we meet? So first of all I would like to inform you that what is 몇? 몇. I know you are a bit confused about mo, wo and 몇. So just remember, 몇 use when a word use with a number. For example, what after what? It's time. Time belongs from number. It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So whenever what comes with the number, it will be sounds like 몇, not mo, wo. It's not sound like mo. It will be like 몇, 몇. So what is what? 몇 in Korean. And time, here we are going to talk about a particular time like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So in that case what is time? She. So what time becomes? 몇 시에. Here at means a. Because we like it's 7 o'clock. Yeah, at 7 o'clock I have time at 9 o'clock. So in that case a is at. Yes. So what time is? 몇 시에. And should we meet? 만날 가요. You had earlier studied about the like nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. So that 만날 comes from 만나서. Got my point? So should we meet means 만날 가요. So Let's join that all words and make a phrase. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? 몇 시에 만날까요? 몇 시에 만날까요? 몇 시에 만날까요? So this is all about asking for what time should we meet. Next we will study about time. Time in Korean. You had already studied about time, how to tell or how to talk about time related phrases in Korean. So I will not take your more time. Just repeat after me. 1 o'clock, 1시. 2 o'clock, 2시. 3 o'clock, 3시. 4 o'clock, 4시. 5 o'clock, 5시. 6 o'clock, 6시. 7 o'clock, 7시. 8 o'clock, 8시. 9 o'clock, 9시. 10 o'clock, 10시. 11 o'clock, 11시. And 12 o'clock, 12시. Got my point? So this is all about time. So next we will study about see you then. See you then. Got my point? So how to say see you then? See you means bye. Bye. And then katte. Then is katte. So what it becomes? See you then. Katte bayo. Katte bayo. Repeat after me. See you then. Katte bayo. Katte bayo. So let's review with the help of the example. For example, A asks from B, do you have time? 시간 있어요? And B, 네, yes. 몇 시에 만날까요? What time should we meet? 몇 시에 만날까요? And B revert, 7시, 7 o'clock. 7시, 7 o'clock. And A, see you then. 그때 봐요. 그때 봐요. So let's study from the very first point. Repeat after me. 시간 있어요? 네. 몇 시에 만날까요? 7시. 그때 봐요. 그래, 그때 봐요. Okay, 그때 봐요. Once again. 시간 있어요? 네. 몇 시에 만날까요? 7시. Okay, 그때 봐요. So this is all about when you have to make an appointment with your friend, with your colleague, with your senior, with your relative. So you have to use this type of phrases when you are going to make an appointment with your friend, one close one. Okay. So next we will study about I'll tell you later actually. So for that time being, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and your next target is create a situation and make an appointment with your friend, with your colleague, and with your relative and your close one in an Korean language, and use time, day, all the phrases which we had studied in this chapter and in earlier chapter. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be there soon. Bye bye.